Hey y'all, this is Mr. Bojack again, and we're out doing a flight range test with the Parrot Bebop 2, and we're using a stock controller too. So we're just gonna see how good she do long range out. I'm just gonna put it. Yeah, I don't know why they keep labeling this thing a toy, but it's a long way from a toy. And we're 200 meters. 300 meters. Gonna take it up to about 300 feet. 500 meters. 600 meters. 700 meters. 856 meters is still getting FPV. We lost FPV at 800 meters. We're gonna let her come back now. See how she do coming back.